Welcome to our virtual Year 6 Leavers Assembly.
Obviously, the assembly is a little bit different this year, but we still have a lot of exciting things to share with you.
We have created a virtual yearbook with
All About Me pages,
an award ceremony where the children have voted for the person most likely to,
singing and dancing performances,
and messages from the staff.
as well as the usual tear-jerking photo slideshow.
So sit back and relax in your comfier than usual seats and enjoy the show, starting with yearbook pages made by the children.
Hi Year 6. It seems very strange to be filming this because in my eyes you're still little Year 2s, because way back 5 years ago I was your Year 2 teacher along with Mrs Bachiri and Miss Nicholson. Obviously we're making these videos just for you because this year's the strange year of lockdown. I am at home right now, but I've been at school with you all day today. And in making this video, it gave me a chance to think of all of the wonderful things that you've done whilst at our school. You know that I'm quite often lost for words. You've sat through many of my assemblies, and obviously I don't have much to say. But what I did want to talk to you about was legacy. And I don't want to turn this into an assembly, but you absolutely have set a legacy. So what is your legacy for our school? Well, to me, it's quite clear. I remember Miss Nicholson, Mrs Bachiri, Mr Fallon and I having a discussion one night about planning a trip for you, and your topic at the time was coast to coast. We tried to work out how we could take you to the coast. We wanted to look at physical and human geography. We got the cost of a coach, and if I'm honest, it was very expensive. And very soon the idea became apparent. We'd go for the night. So we did just that. We went to Habersham House in Filey, a place where, if I'm honest children, I'd gone when I was in Year 6. I stayed in Guillemot Room on the top floor. We packed our bags, we waved bye to the mums and dads who were all crying. Off we went on an adventure. And this is the legacy that you brought to Mosborough Primary School, because it was something that had not been done before, and other than in this lockdown year, is something that's been done every year since. And it was because of you, Year 6. You should be incredibly proud that you're moving on to secondary school and leaving such a wonderful legacy behind, knowing that lots of other children will have the adventures that you had going on their Year 2 residential, and on top of that, all the other wonderful things that you've done at school. However, I don't think I'll ever forget the sight of many of you on that beach in Filey in the glorious sunshine, splatting ice creams on your noses. Lots and lots of you doing that. Year 6, it's not just the memory of that residential, it's the many wonderful things that you've achieved, that you've completed, that you've brought to Mosborough Primary School. You've been absolutely fantastic and completely unforgettable. We wish you very well. And finally, I can't believe I've recorded all of this without crying. You know me, I cry in assemblies, I cry when you make me proud, I cry all of the time. So the fact that I've not cried yet, I think means I should give myself a house point.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me, 'cause I can count on you.
Hi Year 6. Well, I can't believe it's been nearly 7 years since I was visiting some of you at home as new starters. The time's gone so fast. I know that you're all ready for the next step of your journey and the new challenge. Keep being yourselves. I know you'll be amazing. Take care and good luck.
Hi Year 6. I just wanted to say good luck as you move on to your next adventure. We'll really miss you at Mosborough, but we know that you will be absolutely amazing. Have the best time. Bye.
Hi Year 6. I remember taking you all to Habersham House in Year 2. It was the first Year 2 residential at Mosborough School and we had lots of fun. I'm wishing you all so much love, luck and happiness for your future and hope you have a great time in Year 7.
Next, we have a blinding performance from the Year 6 staff and friends.
Just a touch, baby. I look around, see the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, I can see the sun light up the sky, so I hit the road in overdrive, baby. Oh, the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. I'm just coming back to let you know I can never say it on the phone. They'll never let you go this time. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. Hey, hey, I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch.
Hi Year 6, wow, I can't believe you're ready to leave Mosborough Primary School. You were my very first class at Mosborough, my very first cherry class, and I can remember doing your home visits like it was just yesterday. You all seemed so small and quiet and shy, but even then I could tell there were some big personalities in that class. That was the year that you went on your first school trip to the deep. I think 90% of you had eaten all of your lunch before we even got there. That was also the year that we had the ducklings. Can you remember them? I think we called one Judy, one was Pip, I think one was Batman. Recently I've been lucky enough to go in and teach you when I've been covering other teachers a couple of times this year. And I was so impressed by you. You're all so grown up now, you're so sensible, you're so confident. I'm really proud of you. And I know you're all going to go on to great things. So well done on a brilliant time at Mosborough Primary School and good luck for the future.
Hi Year 6, just wanted to say good luck in your new schools. I have a really good memory of working with you in Year 4, making the torches. That was a good lesson. There was lots of tantrums, few tears, but we all made one in the end, so well done. Good luck. Bye.
Hi Year 6, just want to wish you all good luck for the future. I hope that you've enjoyed all your years at Mosborough, even though this one has finished a little bit differently. But don't forget all the lovely memories you've all got together. Your teachers have been so proud of you and how you've dealt with this weird time. So good luck. I look forward to hearing all about what you get up to in the future. Take care.
Good luck at your secondary school.
Hi Year 6ers! We just want to wish you lots of luck as you head off to secondary school.
We'll all miss you here at Mosborough.
Good luck!
Hi Year 6, just wishing you a wonderful time. Next year we're sad to see you go, but know that you've got many adventures to come. I've got lovely memories of our time together in Year 5, and particularly that time in Castleton when we almost got swept away in the water. I have never been so wet in my life. Take care. Bye.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to say that I'm really sorry that we didn't get to spend more time together in Year 6 and make really good memories at Hollowford and Alton Towers, but you've got loads to come in secondary school and it'll be fantastic. Good luck to you all and I wish you all the best.
Hello Year 6, can't believe it's come to this time already. It doesn't seem 2 minutes since you were in foundation in Cherry and Willow class. No. Grown up so much and now you're off to secondary school, got lots of fun memories.
But our favourite has to be the Frozen song. You used to request this morning, afternoon, just before you went home. We even had to do a performance for your parents because you loved it that much. So although we've searched high and low for that video, we can't find a copy anywhere, but I'm sure your parents have got one to embarrass you with. So we just want to wish you lots of luck for when you move on to secondary school.
Lots of happiness, try your best, lots of fun memories.
Yeah, but most of all, you must remember
Always
to sing
remember
the Frozen song.
Now we know, let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Let it go,
We're going to stop there.
I think that's enough.
Cool.
You've heard enough.
Good
about
luck.
terrible singing.
Good luck, we'll miss you. Bye.
Hi everyone, just wanted to wish you all good luck with your move to secondary school. Remember to come back and visit us sometime. Lots of love, Miss Curtin.
I first met Redwood when they were in Miss Sanderson's class in Year 4, and I met Olive when they were in Mr Walker's class in Year 5. My favourite day with you was when we walked up Mount Tor. There was still some snow on the hillside, and when we got to the top, the wind was so fierce you couldn't stand up straight. People had to link arms to stop themselves from being blown over. Somehow Lottie managed to fall over 3 times in half an hour and was covered from head to foot in mud, but she kept on smiling, as she always does. We all made it to the top, and we all made it down again, so that was good. I'm going to miss having you round at Mosborough. I'm going to say goodbye, and I hope you all enjoy your time at your new school.
Next we have a song that we last performed at a Y6 Leavers 2 years ago. At the time we found it difficult enough to get all the children performing in time to the music, so this year we thought we'd challenge ourselves even further by getting the 4 Kingdoms to have a go and adding in performances from home. Hope you enjoy it.
I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottles whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company, and I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere, oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me by my heart, you're gonna miss me by my talk, oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk, oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere, oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my heart, you're gonna miss me by my talk, oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Look on all your new adventures.
Hi Year 6. My favourite memory of you is definitely greeting you all as Year 2s when you all looked like this. You were all so young and so ready to learn. Watching you grow from Year 2 all the way through to Year 3 was wonderful. And now you're ready for Year 7. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Thank you for sharing your time with me in Year 3. Best of luck for Year 7. Take care and I'll see you soon.
Good luck, Year 6! Woo!
Hi Year 6s. I know this year's been a little bit different, but I hope you've made lots of memories at Mosborough Primary School. Good luck.
Goodbye and good luck to everybody in Year 6. I know you'll all go on to do wonderful things, and it's been lovely getting to know you.
Hi, Year 6. You won't believe how many times I've tried to do this video. So, what I would like to say is, I can't believe it's a few weeks to the end of the year and your time in Year 6, and that very soon you'll be leaving Mosborough. But I'm really pleased that you've been able to come back and finish the year off before your journey in secondary school. Me and Miss Curtin had great fun teaching you. We had lots of laughs and lots of fun learning. I hope you all have a lovely holiday and enjoy secondary school and continue to be the best that you can be. See you soon. Bye.
Okay, this is to all Year 6. Good luck in your future career at whatever school you're going to. You'll be sorely missed here at Mosborough, and this is just a big high five to say goodbye.
Hi Year 6. I just wanted to wish you all the very best of luck as you move on to the next exciting chapter of your lives. I know that you will all be absolutely amazing. Good luck all of you. Take care. Goodbye.
Hi Year 6. Wishing you lots of good luck in your new adventures. I'm sure you'll all be awesome.
Hello. I've had the pleasure of teaching both classes during your primary school career. Had Redwood in Year 3, and Olive in Year 5, filled with lots of fantastic topics such as earthquakes and Anglo-Saxons and memories. Can't forget Castleton, it was epic. Just want to wish you all good luck. And
Hi Year 6, just a short video to say congratulations on completing your time at Mosborough Primary School. It's been a very, very strange year this year, but it's been an absolutely fantastic journey for you from your time in Year 5 when we first got together as Maple and Cedar, climbing our first mountain, a very, very windy trip to the top, nearly blown off, to then come back down again to face the monsoon, and I've absolutely never been so wet. It's been superb to see you grow as learners from that point through the year, culminating in such an amazing school performance at the end of the year. I've never been so proud of you all, and it was brilliant to see you leave and be ready, absolutely ready for Year 6. I'm absolutely thrilled I can be part of your Year 6 again towards the end of this year. It's been absolutely amazing for me to be back into the classroom with you, helping you learn and helping you get ready for Year 7. Next year is going to be the best time of your life, and just make sure, please, that you take every opportunity given to make your memories. It'll be absolutely superb. Good luck to you all. Congratulations on a fantastic time in Year 6. I hope you make the most of the next couple of years. Well done.
Hi Year 6. I know school's not finished as it would do usually for Year 6s. I just wanted to say I know you'll be amazing in Year 7 and lots of luck going into your new schools.
I want to wish you the very, very best of luck as you move on to your secondary school education. It's probably not the way that you want to leave Year 6 and Mosborough, but challenging times make you stronger. So go and grasp every opportunity with both hands and a big Mosborough smile.